Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of a bunch of stuff, and well, let's get straight into it. So, first of all, let's just see what came. Okay, a bunch of stuff. So, let's see what we got. Here's we got a microphone, Seiren X, cool stuff. Some unknown thing. Not sure what this is. Probably maybe a extra little gift, if you say. Two Goliaths. Gigantus. Two of those. They're birthday presents for my friends, so we're gonna put that aside. And another one. And that's it. So let's put that box out the way. And let's get straight to unboxing. Let's see what they got here first for us. So, small thing. Oh, this way. Okay. Oh, this is sick. Look at this. Okay, guys, if you can't see, this is literally a Razer. I don't even know how to put it. It's literally a Razer ice cube thing, and I've kind of been needing an ice cube thing. So, and if you don't know, you can get this promotion on Honey actually. So, props for them for figuring this out. And there we go. So that's what's in this box. Let's put this aside. And for the actual stuff. Look at this protection on this thing. Okay, first impressions. Pretty lightweight actually. So, like, okay, so pretty much we got our mic. It's very sturdy, nice and strong. I'm pretty sure it's made of metal and it's got a plastic overcoat. Matte black, looks pretty good. It's got some nice shiny rim, and then you got a mute button here. And then it will turn red when it's on mute, and then you got the gain volume bar. And I think they fixed it actually. Holy. Okay, so pretty much when you scroll to one side it's mute, and on one side it's just maximum. So if you can't see, once I get to here it's maximum, and then here is 0. So okay, what's that? Let's just leave this guy here. Okay, so Razer sticker, love to see it. We got a tutorial, okay, a quick start guide, sounds good. And we also, okay, there's nothing left. Okay, so we got our thing here, got the little knob, and we have our wires. Okay, so now all we need left is to screw these together. Okay, and then here you go, you got the complete mic. And let me just adjust the lighting so maybe you guys can see it better. Yeah, it's a lot better. Okay, so now that we have the lighting better, hopefully you can actually, like, it's pretty dark though, so. And then we got the wire. And then we're just gonna head over to my laptop and we're gonna plug it in. So I'll see you guys when we're there. Hey guys, now we're just testing the microphone, and if you can't tell, this is the Seiren X. and I'm gonna show off a new one a little bit later. So just for comparison's sake, I'm gonna read part of George Orwell's 1984, and I just hope you guys can see the difference. So, stand easy, barked the instructress, a little more genially. Winston sank his arms into to his sides and slowly refilled his lungs with air. His mind slid away into a labyrinth world of doublethink. To know and to not, to be conscious of complete truthfulness while telling carefully constructed lies. To hold simultaneously two options which cancel out, knowing them to be contradictory and believing in both of them to use logic against logic. To repudiate morality while laying to claim it. To believe that democracy was impossible and that the party was the guardian of democracy. To forget whatever it was necessary to forget, and to draw it back into memory again at the moment when it was all needed. And I'm just gonna stop there. So this is the regular mic, and I'm assuming it probably sounds worse quite a bunch, and you can hear a lot of the clicks a lot better. So, which you don't really want. So, I'm just gonna read some specs of the Razer website, and okay. So first, shock resistant. When things get exciting, accidental knocks and bumps happen. When that happens, the built-in shock mount dampens vibrations to help protect your stream against sound anomalies. Compact form factor. Most professional microphones sound great, but tend to be obstructive and too bulky for a desk with limited space. Thanks to its compact and sleek form factor, the Razer Seiren X, delivers a superior audio broadcasting experience while remaining as subtle as possible. When it comes to communicating with your fans, friends, family, clarity is the key. Whether you're a streamer looking to produce quality content or someone who requires a solid video call setup for everyday communication, say it loud and clear with the Razer Seiren X. Okay guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. In general, I think the Razer Seiren is a pretty solid microphone, although it's probably not as good as a Yeti. It's still very good, and if this is your only option or you think it fits well with the theme of your setup, then I think it's definitely a good pick, and it's still definitely viable in 2020, even though it was released about a year or two ago. And that's going to be all from me, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.